Okay, we have a Fadal 4-axis vertical machining setter, model VMC 3020, serial number 0120000060803. A lot of zeros. Machine's new in 2000. Okay, we're going to run it for you. It's got the Fadal CNC control.
So it's running at 500 right now.
Oh, right now it's already running at 500. It does go up to 10,000 RPM. As the model will tell you, it's a 30 by 20, but it's also 24 inches in the Z. It has a side-mounted automatic tool changer, 40 taper, Cat 40 spindle.
Running at 1200 now.
1200?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going up.
Shift over. It's 3500.
3500.
That's 6000.
6,000 RPM.
That's 7500.
7,500 RPM. Nice and quiet. We're going to run axes. All right, your Y. X. Again, it's 30, 20 by 24 in Z. And B. So you've seen X, Y, Z, and B. And the spindle will go up, run as well. We're gonna have to go over to the side to do a tool change. We have to close the doors. We have the side panel off so you can see. We'll do another. Okay. All right, you've seen it all. Hey, thank you for watching our video.